Hello, today I'm going to show you how to empty the clear bin on your vacuum cleaner, a Dyson SV10. This really awesome designed vacuum cleaner is so easy to empty the clear bin or the dust compartment. It's so easy and empty as soon as the dirt reach the level of the maximum mark. Of course, do not overfill it. Ensure the pillion is disconnected from the charger before emptying the clear bin. Be careful not to pull the on trigger. To make emptying the clear bin easier, it is advised to remove the wand and the fluid tool. To minimize dust allergen contact when emptying, encase the clear bin tightly in a plastic bag or over a trash bin, as you can see. To release the dirt, hold the pillions by the handle, pull the red lever back and lift it upward to release the cyclone. Continue until the bin base automatically opens and release the dirt. Then remove the clear bin carefully from the bag or from your cyclone technology area. Then seal it easily and job's done. It's so easy. To close, push the cyclone downwards until it is the normal position and manually close the base of the bin. The base will click when it's securely in place. Of course, you can wash up your filter, but take care, do not reattach the filter while it is wet. It has to be dry out. And you have a second filter on your device. On the back side, it's the same. You can wash it up easily, but it has to be really cleared with water. No water should be on this filter while you're reattach it onto the pillions. After it, you can reassemble everything and have fun by vacuuming by using the Dyson SV10. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.